Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a Discord link to your TikTok bio so you can easily get more people to join your server. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First, open your Discord app and navigate to the server you want to share. Tap on the three dots next to the server name, then select Invite. You'll see an invite link generated there. Now, to make sure this link doesn't expire, tap on the gear icon. Set Expire After to No Limit and Max Number of Uses to Unlimited. Tap Create Link, then copy the generated link. Next, head over to your TikTok profile. Don't just paste the link in your bio yet. People won't be able to click on it directly. Tap the three lines in the top right corner, go to Settings and Privacy, then Manage Account, and switch to a business account. Follow the prompts to select a category and continue. Once done, go to Edit Profile. If you have over 1,000 followers, you'll see an option for Website under the Bio section. Tap it, paste your Discord server invite link, then hit Save. And that's it. Now your TikTok profile will have a clickable link to your Discord server. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.